I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the muscles that move your ears. Sit in front of a mirror, relax your jaw and neck, then gently raise your eyebrows and scan for any ear motion. Once you spot even a tiny shift, stop and repeat that exact feeling. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds and release. Make sure to do short 10-15-minute sessions because focused repetition builds neural mapping. You are training awareness first. This is how voluntary control emerges. Now you progress to deliberate micro-contractions. Attempt 1/4 to 1/2 of the movement you observed, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then relax. Repeat in 3 sets of 10, resting 30 to 60 seconds between sets so fatigue doesn't recruit other muscles. Once done, increase amplitude slowly. Do not force full motion. Instead, add a tiny increment each session. Make sure to vary head position. Some angles make the motor pattern easier to access and strengthen. To finish, refine coordination and endurance. Practice smooth contractions with exhale on the hold and inhale on the release, doing progressive holds up to 5 seconds. Once comfortable, perform functional tests, talk, smile, tilt head to ensure independent ear movement. If you stall, record sessions and add warm-ups for tiny facial muscles, you may need extra isolation drills. One key troubleshooting tip: if you feel jaw or shoulder strain, stop, re-relax, and relearn the micro-feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.